we start filming.
Again. Which is stupid.
We can't let no IKEA people see us. So I don't think they're allowed filming in here.
And they let Liza do it.
They let Liza. This isn't the same one that Liza was in though.
Who cares?
And Liza's famous. She's on a TV show.
Doesn't matter. Does it
We're
really
just
matter?
two nobodies walking around IKEA.
Hey.
Filming.
Wait, no, I have no subscribers, so let me say that again. Never mind.
Never mind.
I have
We're two
legit no
nobodies.
subscribers. I might have subscribers. I don't know though.
We're nobodies. Okay, just face it, Ayla. We're nobodies.
Shut up.
Well, you know it's true.
Shut up.
You know it's true.
Okay, you need to stop with that.
What, my jumping thingy?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Wait, we're just going in circles.
We are.
Wait. No, we're not. Wait, what? There we are. Oh my gosh. I feel stupid. I feel so stupid. I'll be over here. We're gonna do scare cam. We did it, guys. We did scare cam, baby.
You what?
We did scare cam.
Oh yeah, scare cam. Yeah, I'm not happy.
Hello. No.
Huh? We were just over by the desks.
Yeah.
So you already went through the whole thing.
Yeah, we only went to the desks.
We just started walking to places. We barely even looked. You showed her everything?
No, we didn't get that far.
Well, I said after you're done looking at everything, you can
Oh.
come down here. You can go and look at everything. I said when you're done
Can we
looking
eat
at
first? I'm
everything-
hungry.
Huh?
Can we eat first? I'm hungry.
Right over in that corner. I stopped like before that first display that's over there to tie my shoe. She scared the heck out of me.
I do
was
like.
not
Ah!
happy.
Okay, first of all, go look if you can see for that far. That's what they have.
We can go look around if you want.
Swedish meatballs.
We can go look around. But
Oh my god, that stuff is so good.
they got those.
I'm not that fancy.
Well, no, like we usually get like a cake or something like that, right there.
Oh my god, that chocolate cake was so good.
That's why we get it. Duh. And then drinks. And then these are the Swedish meatballs. And then we get mashed potatoes and gravy with it.
Those are so good. They have chicken tenders and french fries.
Yep.
Oh my god.
That's really all they have. And then they got this. I got that. Okay, I showed it to her.
I found my long lost glove here.
You what?
I found my long lost glove.
You found your long lost love?
Yeah, that I haven't had. The food that I haven't had in like months.
Mac and cheese.
What would you want?
Just chicken tenders and fries. The
Chicken tenders.
tenders and fries.
Oh, that's what you'd want?
Yeah, those look really good.
We want cake though. We want cake too.
Yeah, that chocolate cake looks really good over there.
Alright.
Yes. Come on. I can't. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, okay? Don't judge me. I'm hungry. Oh, shush. Shush. Shush, shush.
Like you never get fed.
No, but I'm hungry.
I can see that.
Okay, I got the chicken plate.
Probably not.
I'm getting cider apple. Okay, hold on. You know, we could have just got one. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm
They
getting
have a whole bunch of them. They've got a whole bunch of them.
I'm doing cider kids meatballs, please? Hold on.
Just because I added the lightest thing. I know. Oh my god, there's no one to it. You want one of those card things? No. Sure? I'm good. I'm walking as slow as I possibly can. She's so slow.
Okay, sorry guys. I got my food.
You're sharing some of that cake with me.
Okay, fine.